Okay, so I'm going to take this DeWalt toolbox, turn it into a TackleBox slash power plant. I have a 12 volt battery here. It is a 12 amp hour battery. It's going to be able to charge or power my fish finder. I'm going to run dual USB ports, so I'll have 4 total USB ports so I can charge my phone, run the GoPro, or anything else I ever need. I'm going to start off with a step-up bit. I have the Hobie parts accessories to run the lines through, inline fuses. Let's see, I'm going to put a power switch on the front here so I can turn it off and turn it on. I'm going to have power coming out of this with a pigtail into the boat, so that way there, if I'm out anywhere camping or anything like that, I can take this with me, take this out, and keep it close by me. So just stick around and we will get started. Okay, so I'm going to take my toggle switch, my power switch here. I'm going to go ahead and start putting a hole here in the side so that way there I have a spot to turn it off and on. I'm going to use the step-up bit. Alright, so now I got to make a hole big enough using the step-up bit to run this through. I'm going to run it right about here. Okay, so see now I got my pigtail here. This end here is going to go into the boat so whether I can plug it in and unplug it. And then what I'm going to do is with the switch, I'm going to run my my positive and negative up here into the switch so that way there when I turn it on, I'm going to have a positive and a negative power bank that I'm going to stick in here so each one will feed off of it. So that way there I don't have a whole bunch of wires and it's going to clean that up a little bit. So there's a little bank here. Plug the positive and the negative into it. So this will be a positive bank, and this one here will be a negative bank. And what's the nice thing about it is that it came with a single prong, the positive and negative. So there it'll make all of them hot by plugging one in and make all of them negative or ground by plugging it in. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I got the power bank there, got the switch there, put in a fake bottom here to protect it. So I got little legs there made out of PVC pipe, so I got extra storage down there if I wanted to keep things dry. Set that there. I can stack my boxes right in there, like so. Okay, so here's the finished product for the day. So I have an outlet here, plug in for my solar panel, USB port here. This is going to be the power outlet when I put it into the boat, so it will power the fish finder and my boat lights. Here's the power on, power off. Electrical panel here, battery underneath here. I got myself a little divider here so everything, the tackle won't slide up against it. Clean it up. Got a little tool pouch over here. Got a little overzealous drilling holes here, but got that. I'm gonna patch that up. But I think she's all ready to go. Fits right in the back there. Fits back in the back of the other kayak as well. We'll see how it holds up. Not done with this yet. I think I'm gonna maybe put in another USB plug in there. I'm not quite sure yet. If I do, I'll bring you guys along on it. Thanks for hanging out. Click like, subscribe, thumbs up. Got any questions or see anything you might want to do differently, let me know. Drop comment. Gonna take it out fishing tomorrow. Hopefully I'll have a video for that posted, so we'll see how that goes. Thanks. Take care.